In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add data to users with custom user properties in HubSpot. We'll walk through the full process from creating a brand new custom property all the way to adding data to that field for a specific contact. Follow along in your own HubSpot account if you can, so you can see exactly where everything is. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, we're going to start by creating the custom property itself. Look towards the top of the screen for the main toolbar and find the small gear icon. This is your settings area. Click that to open your settings. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll see a navigation panel. Scroll until you find the section called Data Management. Under Data Management, click on Properties. This is where all of your existing properties live, and it's also where you can create new ones. At the top of the Properties page, you'll see a drop-down that lets you choose which object you want to work with. You can create properties for things like contacts, companies, and other records. For this walkthrough, select contacts from that dropdown, since we're adding a custom property for contact records. Now, click the button that says Create Property. When you do this, a panel will slide open on the right side of the screen. This is where you'll define what your new custom property looks like. In this panel, start by entering a property label. This is the name you'll see later when you're viewing or editing a contact, so make it clear and descriptive. Under that, you'll see a drop-down for field type. Click that and choose the type that best matches the data you want to store. In this example, we'll use a single line text field, which is great for short pieces of information like an ID, a nickname, or a short note. When you're happy with your settings, click Create Property at the bottom of the panel to save it. Now that the property exists, let's add data to it for a specific contact. Look to the main navigation bar on the left and go to the CRM section. Hover over it and select Contacts. Wait for the Contacts page to load and you'll see a list of all your contacts. Click on the contact you want to update. Once that contact's record opens, look at the top left card that shows their main details. In the top right corner of that card, there's an Actions button. Click Actions, then select View All Properties. A panel will slide open on the right. Inside this panel, use the search bar to type the label of the custom property you just created. When it appears in the search results, click into it and enter the data you want to store for this contact. As soon as you click out of the field, HubSpot will save it automatically. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom user property in HubSpot and added data to it for a contact.